Subir los precios. Subir los precios. What does this mean? Subir los precios. Precios means prices, okay? Costs. But what are we talking about? I think you know. I think you know what this means. I think you do. This means to raise prices or when the prices go up. This happens, of course, and it's interesting. This is another common phrase that can be used in Spanish, subir los precios, to raise prices, or when the prices go up, the prices go up. Technically, that's what you're saying here. But we have a verb, so we need to be able to conjugate the verb subir if you want to use this phrase. Let me tell you that subir, let me tell you that subir is a regular verb. So this is pretty good. This is good news because you don't have to worry about any irregularities. You can use the verb subir in a regular way, just follow the patterns of conjugation, Spanish conjugations, and that's good news for sure. Now, let's look at some examples using this phrase. Cada día suben los precios. Cada día suben los precios. This means every day the prices go up. Okay? So this is a very basic phrase. Or rather sentence. There's nothing complicated here, but let's break it down. Let's see how it works. Cada día, this is a great phrase that means every day. Cada día, cada día. Cada means each, okay? But when you say cada día, it can mean every day or each day, both. It can mean both. In this situation, it's similar to saying every day. Suben. Cada, by the way, cada also means every, each and every. So remember that. It has two meanings. Cada día, every day, or each day. Día means day, of course. That's pretty easy right there. Suben, this is the verb subir. Okay, subir, conjugated, of course. And essentially you're saying go up. Okay, and then we have los precios. Los precios, the prices. Cada día suben los precios. Every day the prices go up. You can also say suben los precios cada día. The prices go up every day. Okay, so that's flexible. You can place cada día at the beginning or at the end. Okay, let's look at another example using this phrase, subir los precios, and I will read your comments in a second, just after the second example. Okay, so the other example is el restaurante ha subido los precios de todo su menú. El restaurante ha subido los precios de todo su menú. Menú. This means the restaurant has raised prices on their entire menu. This is interesting. This is interesting. This is very interesting. It's crazy because that's not good news. That's not good news. Everything is more expensive. So let's break this down. El restaurante, the restaurant, restaurante. It's a long word, but it's not that complicated. I mean, restaurant is also a long word. El restaurante, the restaurant, ha subido los precios. Let's include los precios. Has raised prices, or the prices have gone up. Okay. De todo. De is a common thing to say after subir los precios when you want to specify what exactly, the items that have the prices, the more expensive prices. Okay, so this is a common thing to say. Ha subido los precios de los vuelos, for example, right? So flight tickets, or flying is more expensive. Technically, that's what you're saying. Or the flight tickets, ticket cost has gone up. Okay, so technically that's what you're saying. So if you want to specify, the item that had the increased price, you can say de, subido los precios de. Okay, here we have on. So this is not a literal translation. Todo can mean all, everything, or entire something, right? So su means their, menú means menu. Okay. El restaurante ha subido los precios de todo su menú. The restaurant has raised prices on their entire menu. So this is bad news for sure. No one likes that. No one likes that. So remember, subir los precios means to raise prices, or when the prices go up.